Some days you want meals ready to go. Not last-minute stress, not scrambling, just food that feels good and still nourishes you. I keep it simple. Fiber-rich vegetables for fullness, protein to keep energy steady, grains and legumes for grounding, and healthy fats to make it satisfying. When I prep meals, I don't rush. Each ingredient has its place, one pan at a time, one calm beginning. I let the vegetables soften. Batch prep doesn't mean chaos. This is comfort made with intention. Protein warms through. It blends with vegetables, creating harmony in each bite. A little garlic, salt, and black pepper. Everything comes together beautifully. I don't chase perfect meals. I chase meals ready when I need them. Meals I can return to again and again. This is my version of comfort food, made for now and later. Familiar, grounding, and gentle on blood sugar. If this feels like your kind of meal prep, you're in the right place.